Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alissa Capron and I post on Tuesdays. And I wanted to start out today's video by saying thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I really appreciate all of you who watch my videos every week, and I hope you enjoy this nighttime clean with me. So today, or I should say tonight, I'm starting in the bedroom, and it's actually become I've actually realized it's not uncommon for myself to make the bed at nighttime because I just don't ever make it during the day, but I pretty much have to make it at night because it always looks like this because my boyfriend is what I would call a messy sleeper, and he usually has 2 pillows at his head and then one for his legs. And then he'll separate the 2 blankets from each other while he's sleeping. So that's why it always ends up looking this way, and then I have to fix it before we go to bed. Also, if you're not a messy sleeper, you are like me and can get into and out of a bed and it will look the exact same morning or night. So comment below what you are. I used to use this little organizer in my drawer, and then I just finally realized it was taking up more space than what it was helping me with, and I couldn't really fit my brushes into the drawer with that in there, so I'm just taking it out and maybe I'll use it somewhere else, but I'm not sure yet. I used to put this clothes separator laundry basket thing in my closet before we redid it, but now it's right here and it's been fine, but it is kind of in the way, so I'm not really sure if it'll stay there. This is the nightstand that used to be in our bedroom before we got the new ones, and now it has just become a table, and it's still sitting right here because the only other place we have to put it is upstairs, and there's not even that much room up there, so it's just chilling in our living room for now. The spray cleaner that I'm using is the same throughout the whole video today, and it's the Thieves Cleaner, and I will have that linked in my description box in case you're interested. I always think that nighttime cleaning videos have a little bit more of a relaxing vibe, and then daytime cleaning videos have more of a motivating vibe, and let me know which one you guys like better. I personally like nighttime relaxing cleaning videos, and I like watching nighttime clean with me's, but let me know what you guys think. Okay, next question is, what do you guys like better, buttered popcorn or kettle corn? And I would have to say buttered popcorn, but my boyfriend likes kettle corn and it's starting to grow on me a little bit. was filming this video a day or two after my 25th birthday, and this is a cake that my mom made for me, and she made it from scratch, which is really impressive because she doesn't ever cook or bake really, so that was pretty nice. That is all for today's nighttime clean with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and to all of my subscribers, your support means the world to me, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday.